ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಮಾಜಮುಖಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದು ಮದ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಕಬಾಲಿ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಲ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಸರ್ಪಟ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಮೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಆದಂತಹ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರು ರಂಜಿತ್ ಸರ್. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ರಂಜಿತ್ ಸರ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Namaskar.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? How are you, sir?
Good, I'm good. I'm happy to be here in Bangalore. And thank you. I hope you guys welcome always good content. And recently, you guys setting a new benchmark in the whole India. And really appreciate and what you did, Kandara and KGF and Side A, Side B. And this generation, you're rocking Bangalore cinema, like Kannada cinema. It's like a whole India, you just setting benchmark, and I really appreciate that. I'm happy to be here.
That's so sweet. It's a huge compliment from your side, sir. Thank you so much. ಈಗ KGF ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ KGF ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಕಿ ಬಾಯ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಡೀ ಭಾರತ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ವರ್ಲ್ಡಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸುದ್ದಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಸಿನಿಮಾ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡ KGFನ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಹೇಗೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜರ್ನಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಸರ್?
Actually, before KGF, I into that world. I read that one interesting book. I got an idea about the KGF people, and how the people made that goal. After I didn't know that KGF it is movie making that time. No, I just saw that on trailer. After that, I started my work. So I just waiting for that. Someone's making a KGF. So I just waiting for that movie. But KGF is a different world. What we made, Prasad Nil, it's a fantastic movie. It's just fabulous, and like what he did. But it is a different KGF. But somehow he connected like a gold. And he did something. He made some drama, and it is very exciting. But after that, I realized, okay, I want to make a different KGF. So what I read, it's a different, like how the people came to KGF, how they started the gold mine, how colonial system happened at that time, and also how the people suffered to finding the real gold. So that world excited me, and also historically happened in KGF. It's a very interesting thing, and also the people who affected like mythological story, and also the people like they got something when they found that gold. They are suffering people. They are suffering by that inequality in whole India. The people suffered like that. So that people get to try to find that gold. Not only gold, they lose. They want to get a freedom from that caste society, from that inequality, from that a lot of things. So my story, my KGF, it's a deal like that. Yeah, trying to deal like that. Yeah.
ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಫ್ರೇಮಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಈಗ ಮಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು, ಧೂಳಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಯು ಆನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
Thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.